Today we're making a chocolate chip cake. First I'm going to add to my bowl half a cup of softened butter and 8 ounces of cream cheese and cream them together. Next we're going to add 2 eggs, 1 1/4 cups of sugar, 2 cups of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 1/4 cup of milk, and combine all that together. Now we're going to fold in a 12-ounce bag of chocolate chips. Place the batter in a greased fluted pan. Now we're going to mix together 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Sprinkle it over the top of your cake. And if desired, add a couple extra chocolate chips to the top. We're going to put this in a 325-degree oven and bake it for 40 minutes. And here's our finished cake, ready to serve.